Okay, so I've been redesigning this PC case to fit my AIOs. I don't know if I can rotate. Oh yeah, I can rotate it with left click. So this is what I ended up with. Now what I needed to redesign was these top mounts. I made other small changes as well, but this is the big one that took me like a day or two to remodel. Like these two mounts. So I had to recreate the original AIOs first, which were like this, which I recreated like this basically. Then you get the exact dimensions. Once I had that, I could work around everything else, and then I had to make these cutting shapes to cut into the mounts that I made, which I can't show you right now because, well, I already got the final result, which is this basically. And now it's finally off to the print in the print room, and this is the sliced model of that part specifically that I'm printing. And I already printed a test piece so it actually fits the way it should. So this is just like the outline. It looks pretty boring because it's just a flat piece, of course, but everything is aligned correctly, so this should go okay. So this isn't exactly the first print. This will be basically the third, in a way, iteration of the part. And just a disclaimer, I didn't design this whole model from scratch myself. I only modify what I need to fit my needs, basically. It's a lot of pieces to hide because there's a lot of parts that I use as operands. That makes sense? This is to find the center points of the case. Well, it's gonna be so sick. I already got quite far with it already, so I'm sure you guys seen. But yes, this is the progress of the past few days.